Hey, what's going on, guys? Steven over here at TTM Diesel. Right here, we got a C15 BXS coming in for a build. It was dropped off by down south, so we gotta make it a little bit special. She's a little bit fugly right now. We'll get her right.
She's pretty hideous.
So, huh?
She's pretty hideous.
So the plan for the build is we're gonna, take all the rubbish off, make it a low compression, Pt.1 HP ceramic kit. Come with 3-year warranty on it. Single turbo it out. Cancel the compound turbo system. Coming with new with everything ceramic coated. Your piston, bearings, and also we're gonna put our stage 4 head on here. We do a little bit of extra stuff to our stage 4 head, other than the firing and everything. People know that come with the stage 4. We also upgraded to coated cam bearings, and basically reseal everything on her. All the brand new gasket front and back, all brand new fuel lines, air lines, oil line, water lines. That to do with the motor. Stick a brand new peanut cover on there.
You doing chrome on here or no?
What was it?
You doing chrome on here or no?
We do some chrome, some stuff. Just basically the cover. But other than that, it's gonna be a crate, a stock crate motor build that's capable of 1,000 horsepower. Do all the brand new bushing for the front gear train. Got on a brand new pulley tensioner for the front to complete it. But yeah, she's gonna be looking all right afterwards. So
yeah, we're gonna have the build from start to finish. Try to get it all on camera.
Yeah, yep. Try and get all the tear down, the building, cleaning of the build on camera. So for you guys to see how we build our engines. Hey, what's going on, guys? Steven at TTM Diesel. I'm here to give you guys a second update on the motor. So far, I basically just stripped everything on the outside. So we're starting about to get into more of the inside of the motor, but we do notice that there's a little bit of water in there. It's probably because it's been sitting. But yeah, next up we just be taking the rocker arms out and the head off. Abel.
Yeah.
Spanish or English?
Whatever.
Spanish or English?
I'm Spanish.
El que se mueve es gay. You see that? He's gay.
places.